Hello everybody, today I am making cherry limeade popsicles. If you've ever gone to Sonic and tried the cherry limeade drink, you know what I'm talking about. So if you have those lemons just sitting there, I will give you this perfect recipe for cherry limeade popsicles. You will need 9 lemons, brown sugar, cherries, and ice. So let's get started. So we are going to be squeezing all our lemons and we are going to be squeezing them in a container. Then after that, go ahead and add some cherry juice. It's about 1/3 of a cup. And we're going to mix. Okay, so then we are going to be adding another 1/3 of a cup of cherry juice. And then we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Once we do that, go ahead and mix and then go ahead and transfer to your stove and go ahead and bring it to a boil. Okay, so we are going to be getting 2 cups of ice and we're just going to put it in a container. Then we're going to bring our hot liquid into our cold container and we are going to mix our cherry limeade juice. Okay, so we are ready to go ahead and put our cherries inside our molds, and you can get creative. The more the better and the more the tastier. I am going to be adding about 1 to 2 cherries per mold, and then I'm going to be adding my liquid. Okay, so it's been 24 hours and it is time to enjoy our cherry limeade popsicles, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and thank you for watching. Until next time.